Hello everyone, I am Chalamareddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In previous class we have completed level 2 13 problems. Now this is 14th question. Students see that how to solve the problem. Take the LCM. Denominators is going to cancel. Now I am going to write only numerators. A into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x minus 1. Now here we need to find ABC values. How to find? Put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. Then we get A value. See the left hand side, 2 plus 1. A into 1 plus 1 plus 0. Now this is completely A value 3 by 2. Okay. Next, comparing the coefficients. Comparing x square coefficients and constant terms. Constant terms. First compare x square coefficients. What happens? See, left hand side is 0. Right hand side, if you are multiplying these two, you will get x square coefficient A. If you are multiplied these two, x square coefficient is B. A plus B is equal to 0. Then what is B? What is B? Minus A. Already we know that A value. So finally, B value is minus 3 by 2. Now compare the constant terms. Left hand side is 1. Right hand side, A into 1 A, C into minus 1 minus C. Now C is equal to A minus 1. A value is 3 by 2 minus 1. So what we are getting, students? 1 by 2. Finally, C value 1 by 2. But we need to find A minus B divided by C. What is A value? 3 by 2 minus B value minus 3 by 2. Minus into minus plus divided by C value 1 by 2. Numerator, see that 6 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. 2 to cancel. Answer is 6. Second option correct. 15th question. Now, numerator and denominator, observe that LCM. Actually, left hand side denominator x cube minus 1 is there. X cube minus 1 means that is in the form of a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube formula. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Yes or no? Now, take the LCM. Now, denominators is going to cancel. Just write the numerators. Now, I am writing left hand side completed, right hand side. A into x square plus x plus 1 plus bx plus c into x minus 1. Here observe that bx plus c means put bracket, otherwise it is going to mistake. Yes or no? Right. Now put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. Then what happens, students? 1 minus 1 plus 3, that is 3. That is equal to 3a plus 0. Finally, a value 1. So, A answer is B. See the options. B here is there, here is there. Now we cannot decide. We are eliminated first and fourth option. Yes or no? Now go to find b value. How we get b value? Compare x square coefficients and constant term. Now observe that x square coefficient in left hand side 1, but right hand side a. If you are multiplying these two, then you will get b. Already you know very well here a value. Substitute 1 is equal to 1 plus b. 1 cancel. Now we get b value is 0. B is 0. B is a. Yes. Which option correct? Second option. Third option wrong. Now I am going to find c value also. Comparing constant term. 3 is equal to a minus c. Now what is c? C is equal to a minus 3. A value is 1. 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. Finally, C value minus 2. C to C. Observe the options. Which option correct? Second option correct. How to solve this? X power 4 plus x square plus 1, that is equal to x power 4 plus x square plus 1, that is equal to, this is a reducible polynomial split into product of two polynomials, x square plus x minus 1, x square, this is not minus 1, plus 1, sorry, x square minus x plus 1. If you are multiplied these two, then you will get x power 4 plus x square plus 1. How to do the multiplication? Here, observe that these two take 1 unit. These two take 1 unit. That means x square plus 1 unit, x is another unit. That is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Then simplify, you will get left hand side value. Students, are you understood? Multiply these two, apply the formula a plus b into a minus b. Simplify this, you will get. I will simplify, no problem. See, here we get x power 4 plus 2x square plus 1 minus x square. That means x power 4 plus x square plus 1. So we got left hand side or not? So that means now in that problem, take the LCM, denominators is going to cancel. Then what we get remaining? 1 is equal to ax plus b into x square minus x plus 1 plus cx plus d into x square plus x plus 1. Here we need c plus d value. Then how to find? Now first, comparing the coefficients. Comparing coefficients on both the sides. First compare x cube coefficient. Ax into x square, x cube. Cx into x square, cx cube. That means a plus c is equal to 0. Okay, students, are you understood? X cube coefficient is. Next, what we have to do? Go to x square coefficient. These two minus a, and these two plus b. Next, these two, cx into x, cx square, c, next to these two, plus d, that is equal to 0. So here we got finally minus a plus c plus d is equal to 0. This is x square coefficient. Next, x coefficient, observe that. X coefficient, observe that. What happened? If you are multiplied these two, you will get a. If you are multiplied these two, you will get minus b. These two, c. Now these two, d. A minus b plus c plus d is equal to 0. Now, already we know that minus a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 0. Solve these two. That means add. That means add. These two can cancel. These two cancel. Remaining, what is that, students? 2 into c plus d is equal to 0. Now finally, c plus d value how much? 0. Fourth option correct. Fourth option correct. I think students, all of you understood now. Students, see the 17th question. Coefficient of x power n in that expansion is cn. Then limit n tends to infinite, cn by n is equal to. So here we need to find first cn value. Cn mean that is coefficient of x power n only. Now how to do this problem? See, x divided by x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2. Students, split into partial fractions. X minus 1 whole square, repeated linear polynomial. A by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 whole square plus c by x minus 2. Now take the LCM. Denominators is going to cancel. Now numerators I am writing. X is equal to a into what we get? X minus 1 into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 2 plus c into x minus 1 whole square. Okay. Now here put x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Which terms is going to 0? This term is going to 0. This term is going to 0. Now 1 is equal to 0 plus b into 1 minus 2 plus 0. Students, observe here, what is the b value? B value is minus 1. We got b. Next, put x is equal to 2. If you are substituted x is equal to 2, which terms is going to 0? This term, and this is also going to 0. So no. Now remaining left hand side 2, that is equal to 0 plus c into 2 minus 1 whole square. Students, what is c value here? 2. C value 2. Next, how to find a value? That is important here. How to find? Tell me. Compare constants or put x is equal to 0. No problem. Okay, so I am going to substitute x is equal to 0. Or you can take compare x square coefficient. That is also easy only. So I am going to that method. Compare x square coefficient on both sides. See here, x square coefficient left hand side 0. Then what about right hand side? If you are multiplied these two, you'll get x square. Coefficient is a. In this case, there is no x square term. But here after expansion, you'll get x minus 1 whole square means x square minus 2x plus 1. Here x square is there or not? Their coefficient is c. Okay. A plus c is equal to 0. Then what is c? So what is a? A is equal to minus c. Now finally a value minus 2. This is. So a value we got minus 2. Next, those values substitute here. Substitute here. A value is how much, students? Minus 2. Okay. Minus 2. 1 second. Minus 2 divided by x minus 1 plus minus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole square plus 2 by x minus 2. That is equal to, here minus 2 divided by, take minus common, convert in the form of like this, 1 minus x plus minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square, 1 minus x whole square, both are same, plus 2 by, take minus 2 common, remaining is 1 minus x by 2. Okay. Now here minus minus cancel, remaining 2, denominator send it to numerator. So we get 1 minus x whole power minus. Here minus of 1 minus x whole power minus 2. 2 to cancel, minus of 1 minus x by 2 whole power minus 1. Now these three terms we want to expand. So I'm writing here 2 into 1 plus x square and so on, x power n plus and so on, infinite. This is first expansion, minus. Second expansion, see that 1 plus 2x plus 3x square and so on. What we get, x power n coefficient? N plus 1 into x power n plus and so on, infinite, minus. Last expansion, see the students, how to write? That is 1 plus x by 2 plus x by 2 whole square plus and so on, x by 2 whole power n plus and so on, infinite. This is. Here what they are asking, Cn. Cn means that is equal to coefficient of x power n. Coefficient of x power n, observe these two, only 2. Coefficient of x power n, here minus is there, multiply these two, minus of n plus 1. Next, coefficient of x power n, these two, minus 1 by 2 whole power n. This is. So overall, observe that if you are calculating these two, we get 1 minus n minus 1 by 2 whole power n. This is Cn value. But what we need to find, limit n tends to infinite Cn by n. Limit n tends to infinite Cn by n. That is limit n tends to infinite. Cn means 1 minus n minus 1 by 2 whole power n divided by n. Here this is a split. N tends to infinite. This is split. We get 1 by n minus 1 minus 1 by 2 whole power n divided by n. N tends to infinite means 1 by n tends to 0. So no, here I am writing n tends to infinite means 1 by n tends to 0. Okay, so this value is going to 0 completely. Then what about 1 by 2 whole power n? So here observe that 1 by 2 whole power infinite, that value 0. 1 power infinite, that is 1. 2 power infinite, 2 power infinite, infinite. That means here base is fractional part means you will get answer 0. Base exactly 1 means you will get 1. Base more than 1 means so you will get infinite. If base is negative, not exist. Base is negative. That means a power infinite not exist. Not a power infinite value not exist when if a less than 0. These conditions, remember it. Now we get the answer. This is 0, minus 1, minus 0 divided by infinite. 0 by anything, 0 only now. Finally, answer is minus 1. Minus 1 is the correct answer. Which option, students? First option, correct. 18th question. First, take the LCM. Take the LCM and observe here. 2 extra is there. Okay. X square divided by x minus 1 whole square x plus 1. That is equal to, in right hand side LCM is 2 into x minus 1 whole square into x plus 1. A into 2 into x minus 1 into x plus 1 plus 1 into x plus 1 plus b into 2 into x minus 1 whole square. Here observe that these two terms cancel except 2. This is not cancel. Send to right left hand side. 2x square, that is equal to 2a into x minus 1 into x plus 1 plus x plus 1 plus 2b into x minus 1 whole square. Students, here we need to find a and b. How to find? Put x is equal to 1, a and b both are going to 0. Put x is equal to minus 1, a is going to 0, then you will get b value. 2 into minus 1 whole square. If x is equal to minus 1, this term is going to 0 or not? 0. This is also 0 plus 2b into minus 1 whole square. Minus 2 whole square, that is 4. 4 2s are 8. 2 is equal to 8b. Then what is b? B is equal to 1 by 4. Then how to find a value? How to find a value? Compare x square coefficients. X square coefficient. Left hand side is 2. Right hand side, after multiplication these two, we get 2a. Here after expansion, x square coefficient is 2b. Now 2 take common and it's going to cancel. Here we need a value. We get a is equal to 1 minus b. That is 1 minus 1 by 4. A value 3 by 4. But see the question. We need to find length of the vector. Length means what? Modulus. Mod a I bar plus 4b j bar. Students, here observe that b is equal to 1 by 4. 4b is 1. 4a is 3. Directly I am writing 3i plus 1 into j. What is length of the vector? Under root 3 square 9 plus 1. That is root 10. Third option correct. Third option correct.